Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start inside Opera GX, open the menu and go straight to Settings using Alt+P to save time. Once in Settings, type DNS over HTTPS into the search bar so you land on the exact option without digging. Make sure you are on the latest browser build. That avoids menu differences. You will see privacy and security options. This is where configuration happens. From here, you're ready to enable DNS over HTTPS. The next slide walks through choosing the resolver and toggling the feature. You toggle the secure DNS setting on. That activates DNS over HTTPS inside Opera GX. Once done, use the drop-down to pick a provider like Cloudflare or Google for one-click security. If you need a specific resolver, choose Custom and paste the provider's URL. Make sure it uses HTTPS and a valid API path. After selecting, Opera GX will test the connection silently. If the test passes, the browser will send DNS queries over an encrypted channel rather than plain text. You finish by confirming the change. Visit a DoH testing page or load several websites to ensure name resolution works. If pages don't resolve, clear the cache and restart Opera GX to rule out transient issues. Make sure any VPN or proxy isn't blocking DoH. Disable those briefly to test. If you used a custom URL, recheck its exact syntax and try a known provider to isolate the problem. Once confirmed, DoH will keep your DNS lookups encrypted in Opera GX.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.